So what are you doing, Forest Rooster?
Separating the bugs from the pollen.
Oh no! What kind of bugs?
Smart ones.
What are you separating it with?
A fine screen. What else?
It's a coffee maker or something,
No, a
isn't it?
juicer.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Let me see. Some kind of, I don't know, coffee maker or something. I don't know, or tea maker or. So you shifted it with the,
Sifted it
yeah, whatever,
with a
with this. And now you're fine-tuning it, getting the little bugs out. So first, you went and picked it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful little, what are these called? Pine cones or what?
pollen pods.
Pollen pods. Okay, and then you dried them in the oven a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since it rained.
And then you first just sifted it.
Yeah. With a coarse sifter.
And then now.
And then this is the end result.
Oh. And then you're gonna dry this one, the.
Yeah. We're gonna dry it a little bit so it stays spottier in the freezer.
Oh, cool. And then when you dry it, how long you dry it? Like for a day?
Yeah, whatever.
And then we're gonna put them in a little tiny containers and put them in the freezer.
Yep.
And we had it last year for the entire year in the freezer.
Still have some left.
Yeah, we still have a little bit left. Cool. Okay, Mr. Papa. Forest Rooster. They look beautiful. And you picked all this today.
Yep.
Wow. That's pretty amazing. It's quiet a bit. Wow. Awesome. So we'll see how it's gonna be tomorrow. And they smell good too.
Yeah, they smell very piney.
Yeah, they smell very good. Okay, okie dokie. Let me see just a spoonfulnyi. I wanna see a spoonfulnyi. Oh, beautiful. Okie dokie. Then, are you gonna be picking some tomorrow too?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll spend the entire day tomorrow.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yep.
Okie dokie. See you later, alligator. Oh, the different colors. Look at that. Even a yellow one. See you later, alligator.